Welcome back to the All Bike Update. It's another installment of our Casual Friday, where it's Friday and it's casual, and we're just going to be putting a bike together. This is the Rocket from Ecotric. So we've done pretty much all we can do with tools that were provided to us. The only things that we couldn't do were install the front reflector and the rear reflector. We're going to need a Phillips head for that, and I'm going to need an extra wrench to install the front reflector. So you'll notice I took the battery off of the track here, and one of those screws right here is loose, and so I'm going to take it back to the house and tighten it up, and that's just a Phillips head screwdriver. So first impressions, this bike looks really slick. We've got that black, orange, blue. I like the nice blue rims. I like the orange right here. So all in all, as far as like a color palette goes, it looks pretty cool. It looks like it's going to be a lot of fun to ride, and we'll be coming to you soon with that review in just a few days.